Hi, I'm Ed. I live right outside of Philadelphia with my wife Amy and my son Wyatt and my two dogs Lexi and Harley. I was injured in Iraq in 05-06. Two places were hurt pretty bad, my left knee and my lower back. I used to run every day. And then when I was injured, that went down to minimal running at all. And it just didn't make me happy, because I like to run, I like to bike, I like to chase my toddler around the house and the yard. I talked to a doctor and the Veterans Administration around the time that they were kind of working on my back, and they said, look, the best thing for you to do would be to check out a hot tub because it can actually relieve some of the stress that's coming with that, cause you a little more comfort in the evening. Sometimes sleep doesn't come because of pain. Sometimes it doesn't come because of the pain of things that I've seen in combat. However, once I got the HotSpring hot tub, I was able to relax more. I was able to work on the muscles that actually caused me a lot of pain and inflexibility. It allows me to forego the need for all the meds. It allows me to not have to have any more surgeries because I can deal with the pain and I can manage it on a daily basis. I get in, I get a nice soak, I relax, and I kind of tune my muscles out, tune my mind out, and I get to go enjoy doing the things outside that I like to do every day.